Hi, welcome to Welding.
Hey, Mr. Uff, what are some of the technical skills students learn in your program?
Students are able to gain hands-on experience in the widely used welding processes such as stick welding, MIG welding, TIG welding, and beyond.
Can students earn industry credentials or college credit in your program?
They certainly can. Students can earn credentials such as AWS Certified Welder, and we also have articulation agreements with colleges such as Penn College and several others.
That's pretty cool. Hey, Mr. Brandmeier.
Hello.
What are some potential career pathways for students who complete your program?
Some of the career pathways are to enter the workforce right away, continue on to school, or do various welding projects.
Okay, that sounds neat too. Do students typically launch careers in welding immediately after high school, or do they continue their education?
Most students do launch a career after high school. Some of them do go on to become welding engineers or work towards their certified welding inspector credentials to work in the industry.
Okay. What's your advice for students considering this program?
My advice for any student coming into this program is what you put in is what you will get out of it in the means of a future job and future knowledge to enter the workforce and gain a good wage when you enter.
That sounds awesome. Thanks for letting us stop by.
Thanks for stopping by.
Thank you.